Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to clear the concept of these two methods that Dart provide with set. Okay, so the first one is union and the second one is intersection. So this union is return a set of the unique item that are exist in both. Okay, and also this intersection is returns a common set of that that are exist in both. Okay, so here if I write here main function, okay, and now I just take a set of integers values. Okay, I just write num1 here, and now I just want to store only these three values. Okay, and now I want to show you num2 here. Okay, I take two set that now I just write here 4 5, okay, that are different from the another. Okay, so I just write a two set of different set that is holds there. One set is hold three items and the another is hold four items. Okay, so we already talk about that or what is set. Okay, if you don't know about set, so please watch my previous videos. Okay, so now I just want to show you that how it working. So I just write here num1 dot, if I write here union. Okay, so now here this union method, here you can see it return list. It take a parameter is list. Okay, if I write here num2, so now uh, it returns set. Okay, I store this in set. Okay, integer, and now value. Okay, so here now here you can see if I front v. Okay, so now here you can see this union method only return a set of those elements that is are unique in their both. Okay, it returns uh, a unique element that are exist in this both. Okay, if I front here, so you will see this that how it's working. Okay, so here you can see this union this union method returns all those elements that are unique in both iterable. Okay, in both set. Okay, so here you can see these all elements are unique here. Okay, if I write here 6 also, so now here you can see the 6 is also printed because it is also exist on these, it also exist in here. Okay, so and these all values are unique, so the union print all those elements. Okay, and return a set. Okay, so now if I write here intersection, okay, intersection, so here you can see intersection is also return a set. Okay, so we already store in a set. Okay, and here you can see it take a parameter of set or okay object also. Okay, so now this intersection will be working. It returns a set of items that are common here. Okay, common mean that exist the iterable one and also iterable two, or we can also call set. Okay, so here you can see the common values. You can see here 1 2 3 is common, so it returns a set of these only 1 2 3 elements. Okay, so now I want to show you here. Here you can see 1 2 3 is printed because it is common here. Okay, so I hope you will be understand this concept or union and intersection, and for now it's enough, and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.